So I've got a new Google Sheet and I've enabled ChatGPT for Sheets and Docs. And the first thing I want to do is get that poem by Robert Frost, Stopping by the Woods on a Snowy Evening, and insert it somehow into a cell in this Google Sheet. So my first idea might be just to write a basic GPT formula, $GPT, reproduce the poem Stopping by the Woods on a Snowy Evening by Robert Frost, and I'll press enter. And the response is, sorry, I can't do that. Would you like a summary instead? And the message here is that ChatGPT cannot reproduce works of literature or copyrighted text or something somebody else wrote. They can give you a summary of it, they can give you information about it, but they can't simply reproduce it. So I'm going to delete this. And now I need to go to a website where I can get the poem and copy and paste it. So here's the poem on a poetry website, the Robert Frost poem, and I will select the text, right-click on it, left-click copy. Now I'll go back to my Google Sheet, click in the first cell, right-click, left-click paste, and the text is copied and pasted, and it looks like that it's a one line per cell with a blank cell between each stanza. So I'll want to work on that in the next video.